In a world once defined by physical constraints, imperfection was accidental, but meaningful. Grain in film, smudges on paper, or misaligned MIDI notes that carried echoes of human touch. These were not flaws to be corrected, but fingerprints of process. Yet today, our digital tools replicate these same signs with algorithmic precision. Smudging filters, AI handwriting generators, and noise overlays designed to make perfection look handmade. We no longer live in a world where authenticity is an emergent trait from limitation, but a curated aesthetic. The question now becomes, when everything can be faked, what does it mean for anything to feel real?
The real challenge in AI detection systems lies not in improving accuracy, but in ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness, especially when these tools influence decisions.
In a world where authenticity can be cloned, faked, and detected all at once, trust becomes less about truth and more about detection technology. Every new AI voice simulator is met with another forensic algorithm trained to spot the cracks in its performance. It's an arms race between creation and validation, where the goal isn't just realism, but real-time legitimacy. And yet the deeper paradox emerges. The more we automate our trust, the less we're left to trust anything at all. Meanwhile, governments and corporations race to outmaneuver each other. OpenAI's acquisition of voice, cloning text signals a shift from artistic tools to corporate control, while China's tightening AI laws reflect the same impulse: containment before collapse. These moves don't just regulate authenticity, they weaponize it as a tool for power. And here's the thing: if we outsource our discernment entirely to algorithms, what happens when those systems fail, or where imperfection no longer feels human? It just feels like an exploit. We've turned authenticity into a game of cat and mouse, where the rules are written by machines we barely understand. The more flawless our AI becomes at simulating emotion or voice modulation, the harder it gets to believe anyone is real. And so we find ourselves in a world not of fakes versus originals, but of ever-shifting simulations, where every verification requires another level of authentication. Barthes wrote about photography as a kind of death, a that has been captured in time, frozen against entropy itself. But now AI generates that same sense of absence without ever having been there at all. The photograph was once the first technology to promise presence, but it turned out to be only a ghost of memory. Today, we get ghosts with no graves. Memories manufactured by algorithms pretending they were once real. The computer was not just a machine. It was a mirror for the human mind, a simulation of consciousness without any of the messy biology. Children in the 80s already saw it as alive because it responded to their thoughts. Now, our AIs have learned to simulate emotion better than people can tell when they're being faked. Barthes' punctum, the detail that pricks the viewer with personal meaning, is no longer a natural accident in our media. It's now an optimization parameter, a variable in the algorithmic composition of emotional impact. We're not just watching images, we're being watched by them.
Accepting these challenges of human desire, the engineer, who knows what is wanted, leads the way for the men who know how to build it, to accommodate our constantly increasing population.
Postman warned us, when everything appears polished, efficient, and done right, we slowly lose our ability to question why or how it got that way. The algorithmic age doesn't just present information. It curates reality into an illusion of perfection. We trust the process more than the person behind it. And as this curated authenticity becomes the default mode of communication, we surrender our capacity for critical thought in favor of seamless consumption. As we accept algorithmic curation as a sign of quality, the boundaries between real and artificial blur beyond recognition. What remains is not truth, but performative coherence, an illusion that everything has been vetted, when in fact it's just optimized to appear so. The collapse into Technopoly isn't sudden, it's gradual erosion. Our tools don't just reflect our values, they reshape them. Barthes once argued that a photograph offered ontological certainty. It showed what was. But now, AI can simulate any reality with photo, realistic detail, and emotional resonance. The mechanical trace of the camera is gone. In its place, we have infinite malleability. If anything can look real, does anything remain real? What's left to believe when truth becomes a performance optimized for belief?